Hey everyone, welcome back to Ataria News, your source for breakthroughs shaping the future of intelligence, creativity, and technology. Today, I'll take you inside one of the most ambitious and fascinating developments in artificial intelligence, the Genie 3, DeepMind's latest advancement in generative simulation and world modeling. Genie 3 marks a major leap forward in AI's ability to generate, simulate, and sustain interactive environments. Developed by Google DeepMind, it is the third iteration of the Genie family and the most capable to date. Genie 3 allows users to create fully navigable, visually consistent virtual worlds, not from code or pre built assets, but from simple natural language prompts. Unlike previous game engines or procedural generation tools, Genie 3 constructs these worlds on the fly, frame by frame, using a powerful auto-regressive model trained on vast quantities of real-world video. At 24 frames per second and a resolution of 720p, Genie 3 delivers a real-time visual generation that feels fluid, believable, and remarkably grounded. What truly sets Genie 3 apart is its emergent understanding of physical and spatial continuity. As a user explores a generated world, Genie 3 remembers what has been seen, where objects are located, and how they relate to one another. Doors stay open if you walk through them. Hills remain in the same position as you turn and return. This memory is not hard coded, it emerges from the model's internal representations. This is a major departure from conventional simulators. Genie 3 doesn't use a physics engine or a handcrafted rule set. It learns how the world works by observing it, just as a human child might. Through its training, it has developed intuitive physical reasoning. Objects fall, shadows shift, and spatial layouts persist naturally over time. One of the most remarkable features of Genie 3 is its responsiveness to real time prompts. With a single sentence such as turn the sky red or add a river beside the mountain, the user can reshape the environment mid session. The system interprets language contextually and integrates changes seamlessly into the world model. This promptability opens the door to a highly dynamic, user guided simulation experience. The environment not only responds to exploration but evolves based on intention. It becomes a dialogue between user and machine, a form of collaborative imagination. Genie 3 is not merely a tool for artistic exploration, it has significant implications for AI development. DeepMind has paired Genie 3 with its embodied agent platform SIMA to test whether AI systems can learn and act within these generated environments. The answer so far appears promising. Agents trained inside Genie 3 worlds can navigate, perform tasks, and adapt new instructions all within a world that didn't exist a moment earlier. This opens up entirely new pathways for scalable, cost effective reinforcement learning, simulation safety testing, and cross domain generalization. At its core, Genie 3 is an auto regressive video model. It predicts each frame based on previous ones, grounding each prediction in both visual and textual context. This enables it to simulate causality and continuity with surprising coherence. However, there are limitations. Long term consistency degrades after several minutes of play, and fine grained interactions, especially involving text, numbers, or real world locations, remain a challenge. Still, Genie 3 represents a major step toward general purpose simulation, a system that doesn't just render a world but understands it enough to remember, modify, and reason about it in real time. Currently, Genie 3 remains in limited research access, but the possibilities it opens for virtual training grounds, generative games, embodied AI, and dynamic content creation are profound. As we look to the future, Genie 3 offers a glimpse of a world where imagination becomes environment, where language becomes landscape, and where the boundaries between thought, simulation, and experience begin to dissolve. From the labs of DeepMind to the edge of interactive intelligence, Genie 3 definitely is a bold step toward machines that don't just think but imagine. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. Stay curious, stay tuned, and as always, I'll see you again in the next one.